Hey, this is Doc Mountain. I'm here to show you how you can actually get rid of the unwanted rows or the unwanted columns in your table. This is Microsoft PowerPoint 2013. So now how do you do that? How do you get rid of the unwanted columns? So check this one out. I've already typed in all that I need to type into the table. So I've come to realize that the last row is actually unnecessary because there's nothing that will go in there. So now what do I do? So what I need to do for me to get rid of this row is simply to click on one of the the boxes. So I've actually activated the bottom right box, and then I right click using my mouse or even my touchpad. Then you go down here to the bottom window, and then you go to delete table. There's this command which says delete table, and then actually click on that downward pointing arrow, and then it pops up all these. So now if you want to delete the entire table, you hit on this command. Then if you only want to delete that particular row, you click on this, and the last column rather, you simply hit on this one. So now since I want to delete the row, I simply click on this. Now check out that row which was there is now gone, and I have a perfect table. Well, that's how we do it. If you like the video, make sure you tap on the like button. Don't forget to leave a comment, and don't forget to subscribe.